What up, Dale? Yo, what up, DBT? Bro, I'm trying to get a payout today. Come on, just push it. Just fucking rocket it.
Order filled.
What up, BK? Good morning, Donna. Inmate 69 is from home. Ankle bracelet on tonight. Oh, they let you out. I need to get like $350 and I can get a payout here. 350 gets me a payout. So I am I'm really trying to get one. Damn. All right. So the initial imbalance was made. What up, Discipline? Yo, what up, Ron B? Yeah. Formerly known as Speed Racer. Flips in the house. Dude, I am. Yo, this market just ripped today.
Order filled.
I guess as long as it holds the imbalance, I'm what do I say I need? 350? I wish I knew the exact number. What up, CT? I'm gonna look for the number right now. The exact number I need to get to a payout today. What up, TiVo? I would love to see just a rocket up here. Dude, Dell, you were right there. You were at the top. I didn't roll. My funded futures didn't roll. Some of the other ones rolled. I just want to see what I need to get to. See, the problem is this consistency rule. The problem is this consistency rule. I'm just trying to look to see what I got. 855, right? So it's 855 was my biggest day. I'm just watching what's happening. Dude. I need to get to, I need to be up 20. Dude, I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
I need to get to 21,037. 21,037 is what I need to get. So that's 52,137. What up, bum? Yeah, no, I got it, Flip. All you do is you take the number and then you divide it by, like, if it's 40% consistency rule, you divide it by 0.4. And that's how you get it. Dude, I want to see a flush. Just certain things that I like about this play, certain things I don't like about it. Obviously, you know, on the one, we're kind of sold off. We're kind of trending all day. You know, but what I like is obviously the time. You get a lot of reversals around now. Yo, what up, Pine? Yes, Waldo, I am in short. It's not like an A+ setup. I'm kind of taking a shot to see. I'm just kind of taking a shot here. I'm in like half size, and we're going to see what happens. Let it just move. Bro, if Trump can come out and say something real fucking nasty right now, it would be great. You know, like, I'm raising tariffs. Tariffs going up, boys. I need a tariff is going up, boys, right now. Just freaking give me a dump. Yo, what up, Mara? If we can get under 75 here, we could probably take this for a ride. Just break below this support. Maybe target all the way down here. Come on, baby. Break it. If we get to like 65, if we get in this area, I'm moving my stop down. Just, I'm letting you guys know. We get in this area, I'm moving my stop down. At least going to break even. BE, baby. I'm actually moving my stop down to here anyways. I don't want to see it get back over the 9. What is that, 91? Come on. Please. Please. Dump it. Dump it, baby. Yo, what up, Fred? What up, Kyle? Dump it. Just fucking let it go. Elsa style. All right. I'm break even right now. Ugh. I'm just moving my fucking stop down. If this doesn't go, it's going to pop and I'm going to get fucked. So, you know.
Order filled.
I'm minimizing any damage. I got out break even here. And this is where I'm at here. So, we'll see. I don't like that we're holding the 34 here. I definitely don't like that we're holding the 34. I want us to get down and sell down. It's not looking good. Nope. Probably going to bounce it. Probably going to bounce it here.
Order filled.
Bounce it back up. Come on, just give me. There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. See, that's why you move to break even. Got to move to break even, boys. Minimize your losses. And if you're wrong, you can rip it the other side. Like I got all of that back. And then here I went out break even and then got $60. Got to be able to play both ways. You know, once it's broken, you know, that's it. If it doesn't break support, it's probably going to bounce. You can definitely grab points on the other way. What up, Nao? We got Vincent here. What up, Oliver? I'm not sure about the shorts. Feels more like a pullback. Yeah, if it doesn't break, that's why you got to go to break even. Got to go to break even. I was long oil. News drop, huge dump. My stop is break. Yeah, break even is where it's at. Once you can get there, can't really lose. Can't lose. Yo, what up, Sean? Yo, did you see? I mean, some of you probably saw this, but they are pushing. They are definitely pushing some degenerate behavior here. Let me get to it. Yo, for every eval that you pass, every eval you pass, you get a free account at My Funded Futures. Yep. Pass one, get one for free. That is definitely promoting some degenerate behavior. Not that I don't like it. I like it. I'm just saying. So that's what they're doing this week, My Funded Futures. Pass one, get one. What up, Ray? Looks like I still have one open, Lena. Oh, you talking about right here? That's something I'm testing. This account 268 is something I'm testing, Lena. This kind of looks like we just swept and now we're going to dump. How's that sound? That's exactly what that looks like. Dude, I forgot to still fix that pirate shit. I'm just watching this on my other screen. Honestly, the more we just sit in this zone, the more likely we're going to continue up. It's like one big consolidation above the 34. Probably consolidate here, ride it a little bit, and then it's going to just go. See, I hate when futures roll. Like this is the roll week. I hate it because like I'm looking at 188 and then I look over here and it's 963. So you got different prices on different contracts now. Good morning, Marie. What up, Ali? You know, you're getting a lot of different. You're getting different contracts, different prices. I'm not liking that. Gamble all. Order filled. Order filled. Man, they're just inverting so many around here. I don't love it. If I had a guess, we're going up. Yeah, they're on different contracts, Marie. One of them is on August and one of them is on September. Oh, man. I think there's more meat on the bone to the downside. Honestly, I think there's more meat to come down back to like down here. Fuck it. $93 would be my stop. Fuck, I don't have the stop on this shit. I'm not going to take it in this account. It would be right. It would be the prior candle.
Order filled.
I don't love this, and I'm going to move to break even as fast as I can. If this drops a little bit more, I'm going to break even. Just like that. Make it a free trade. Make it a free trade. I don't love it. That's why I'm making it a free trade.
Order filled.
Yeah. I was grabbing it off this inversion, but I don't fucking love it. This is what I'm looking at. I got this on my screen over here. What up, Pete Jazz? I'm short, though, not super convinced. Yeah. I'm trading both contracts. I know, me too, Ray. I don't like it. How do I trade it? How do I change it in volumetrica, though? How do I change it? Automatically changed in the past, so I don't know how I change it here. I don't know how to change it on volumetrica. Just going to ride this 34, I guess, because it looks like you're going to pick back up right here. Let's see if I can scalp it real quick. See if I can scalp it for a couple beans. Come on, just give me a little pop. 25 something dollars or 17, 20. Sam, do I have a bias? Not like where we are currently, to be honest with you. It kind of looks like we're just consolidating for probably the next move up. They've had 2 chances to drop this and they haven't. They could have dropped it over here and they could have just dropped it right here and they didn't. I thought this would drop more likely only because you just swept up here, which you got people to bite and get in, and then they dropped it on them. I felt like that was a telltale, like a liquidity sweep, and then we're going to go back the other way. But obviously that didn't happen right now. Not saying it can't. I mean, we start dropping here, I'll probably take it. I wanted a clear sweep with an inversion, but I don't know if we're going to get that. What I don't want to get stuck in is we constantly just keep bouncing from this level to the top level, and you try to play the short and you just keep getting yo-yoed. That's what you don't want. Like we come down here because you buy, and then you think we're going to go down and it goes up, and then you buy the breakout and the breakout don't happen. You come back down. That's not what I'm looking for. Like I would rather us now at this point almost pop like up here and then invert the V down. And then I know the move to the upside's done. This isn't showing me really that the move to the upside's done. It's just kind of showing me consolidation. And if you zoom out to like the 5, if anything, it kind of moved back to the 9. You're consolidating, and it's probably going to move up. You want to see this get below 78. Below 78, we probably rock to the downside. I do want to take a shot so bad. Fuck it. I'll take a shot. I'll stop out, though.
Order filled.
I just think if I catch it, if I'm able to actually catch this, I think we're going to see probably like 46. It's on this fucking line. Like, it's got to hold here. If it doesn't hold, they're going to Let's go. I'm at break even. You don't want to see this get bought back up, though. That's why I moved to break even. They buy this back up, it's fucking over. Nope.
Order filled.
It's so dirty. I still like it to the downside. I still do. I'm just staring at this. What up, Dan? Yeah, I'm just looking at it. I like it.
Order filled.
If I don't hold this, I won't, and it drops, I'll be fucking so pissed. This is where I'm at. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I just hate that we keep wicking. You know, that's what you don't want to see is these wicks. You want to see some type of continuation. The only reason I got back into it is you kind of got like some type of head and shoulders feel to it, I guess. You're getting these lower lows. You're definitely getting lower lows. You would want to see them just flush it out, though. Some type of continuation. Come on. Fucking push it. Are you shitting me? Get below 70. Continue. Fucking push it, man. Bears have no balls. No balls. It's so crazy. They're not going to sell this out. This is fucking garbage.
Order filled.
They're not selling this out. Oh, jeez. Nope. Nope. No, I'm done shorting this thing. If anything, you probably catch a long right here, back up to 97 or something. Fucking crazy. Dude, how do you not have any selling pressure up here? They're fucking crazy. I won't get sucked back in for another short. I can tell you that right now. Watch them just this. Just blast it. I'm just going to scalp it to the upside. Just go. I mean, at least what I got my money back plus interest, but you know, it's not the move I wanted. I wanted the dump. I wanted the dump. That's crazy. Dude, are we just going to consolidate here for a fucking hour? For another hour or two? Yo, the 15 has a 3-bar on it. Damn, the 5 had a 3-bar on it. The 15 has a 3-bar on it. 72 is the trigger on the 15, by the way. And you stop out at high a day. Your stop is high a day on the 3-bar. And 72 is the break. consolidate here for a little bit. Oh, jeez. Yo, Ray, almost. Almost. The worst thing you can do is just play this fucking chop, though, because that will burn you. I'm looking at it, Ray. I like it on the 15 to the short side, 1,000%. 15 on the short side would be nice. The one thing I don't like about it is you're entering the breaker on the oh, that's the Russell. What the fuck? I really like it on the short side. Look, you got another 3-bar on the 5 right here. You could stop out. Actually, your stop out point could be like 200. Dude, there's somebody. It's almost like they just keep buying it. I mean, risk reward, if you go in short here, is probably pretty decent. I'll risk it. Risk reward, I think it's like $120.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. I'll just take that shit. It was like $50 in each account, and they took $70 in this account. Listen, I'll nickel and dime it all day. I'll nickel and dime it all fucking day. Dude, I want to get this fucking payout so bad. I need 300. No, I'm going to need 400 and something dollars. Fuck, man. I could do it. I could do it. Who's here anyways? Yo, what up, Prelim? Jay Styles in the house. Rosales. What up, Rosales? You guys liking this price action so far? Is anybody actually in something right now? Is anybody actually in something right now?
Order filled.
Trump and Carney. Oh, geez. Cobb is long. I do think, I think they've had several opportunities to bring this down, and they haven't. I definitely feel like they've had multiple opportunities to bring this down, and they haven't. Which leads me to believe that we're probably going to pop, at least get up to this wick, maybe. What is that, 15? What's weird is we didn't wick up here on these contracts. This wick didn't happen. That's crazy. I don't have this wick on my funded futures other contracts. I'm just getting out. Fuck it.
Order filled.
I'm just getting out. Because if it doesn't fucking break, they're going to dump this shit. ES and YM are dumping. Yeah. I mean, cool. I just got out. Fuck you. Fuck you, market. ES is nowhere near making highs. And here the NQ is pretty much ready to make a new high. Now, does the ES catch up or the NQ just dumps out? I feel like there's more room to the down. I just do. Bear traps for days, baby. Are they going to let it go? I hate this consolidation, but what's interesting is you got a lower low here and then you got a higher low right here. Like they could have pushed this way down, all the way down here. They didn't. They came down, held. I guess you'd want to see it hold the green line, which is the 34, and then we come back up. Yo, what up, Richie? Come on, baby. Let's do something. Let's go. If we can hold right in this area, stochastics work off a little bit, probably going to pop it.
Order filled.
What do I need anyways? Do I need 600? I think I need like $600 here. I thought I did the calculation wrong. I'll tell you what, we're either going to go one way. Here's an eval, right?
Order filled. Order rejected.
Here's an eval. If we get up there, I'm funded. Do not follow that. I want to see them push out of this. We get a nice push out of this shit. Probably take us to the fucking promised land. Oh, shit. I just bought that with minis. Oh, it almost fucking hit me. You motherfucker. Look at that. It almost hit me. You piece of shit. That would have been a $1,200 payout. Why would you do that?
Order filled.
Why? Fuck me. I just missed a $1,200 payout by peanuts. I accidentally played minis, though, and made a hundy. Fuck me. That's so stupid. All because I was greedy. I should have just put it under for 22,000. Like, I should have put it at like 21,998 and I would have got filled. Unfucking believable.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now I'm just scalping my fucking way to I'm scalping my way to profits at this point. I'm so fucking annoyed. I'm so annoyed. I need to get to 52,100. Sean, that was not cool. That was not cool at all. What's wild is these contracts popped. These contracts did not pop as high. You know what I'm saying? Contracts just didn't pop as high. Oh, fuck me. Yo, when are they talking? Like right now? Are they on stage, Sean? What is going on? How is this looking right now? I'm sure he's going to say something real good.
Order filled.
Just FOMO'd in. Just fucking FOMO'd in. Come on, baby. Bro, someone keeps buying it, Ray. Come on. I need him to step in big time right now. Nah, fuck me, man. Gonna get stopped right here. Stopped.
Order filled.
Fucking knew it. Fucking knew it. I want to say they're going to just follow this 9 up and we're going to ramp, is what I'm kind of thinking at this stage of the game. Trump's going to get on. Oh, I need to get to 23 on here.
Order filled.
That's what I need. I need 14. If I get it to 20,014, I get a payout. Actually, I don't even think I need to get that high. I better calculate this before I fuck this up. I better get the real number. 37. I should just get that. I'm at break even, so let's just see what happens. Come on, baby. Push it. Push it. One time for the kid. One time. I need 20 points up. Give me 20 points. I moved to break even. And
Order
I just
filled.
got fucking stopped out. Break even after I was up $100. So defeating sometimes. Like, do I just take the $100 next time? Probably, right? Do I just take the $100 next time? Probably, right? Yeah. Yeah, Richie, I'm trying to get the payout. I'd get $1,200 payout today. Today. Take the fucking money. Man, this is some chop. This is some choppy McChopperson here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Now we're just going to scalp it. That was just a quick 50 spot. Let's see what Forex Futures says. What time they're actually Forex factory. What's up, Nick Coop? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just looking. I'm going to go to Financial Juice. Just need one good trade. Trump is meeting at 11. Dude, that's happening already, but I don't know if they're actually doing it. I guess you'd have to watch on like Fox News to see when they actually start meeting. European Commission, the report suggesting that the EU accepts a U.S. tariff of 10% are speculative and do not reflect the current state of discussions. Market always goes up, Kava. The President Trump announced. Oh, geez. That was last night.
Order filled.
Let's see if they just bounce it right off the top here.
Order filled.
See, that's the problem. I have to look at this chart right here. Fuck it. If we bounce up a little bit, I'm going to take a short. It's making sounds? You could. What sounds is it making?
Order filled.
Yo, what sounds is it making? I don't even know.
Order filled.
Does it? Is it a good order filled or a bad order filled? Sounds like orders are being filled. They probably are. I'm just testing some shit in in some evals. Oh, it is it's definitely Volumetrica. Volumetrica is doing it. Order filled. Order filled. I think this might be the top for the day, by the way. If we come back up here, I might short it again at 98. This would be a pretty good short spot, possibly. Get up right below the imbalance. I don't want to take it here. Pop it a little bit. Need them to pop it a little bit. Pop it. Pop it, kind of touch here, and then go back down. Or I'm just going to fucking take it here. I don't want to, but if I do, I don't want to take it up here. Bounce it just a little bit for me. Thanks, management. Come on, baby. It's my volumetric. I have to change this so there's no noise. Yeah, I want to watch it right around here. Right around here. If you set I'm going to set a tight stop loss. I do not want to see it trade back over.
Order filled.
Fuck me. Can Daddy get some continuation to the downside or what? Come on, get me at least down to 74.
Order filled.
I took the fucking money. I took the money. Yo, Chris Bull, a 15-minute chart eases the mind. Probably. I have it up. This is the 15. Honestly, it looks like it's going to go down on the 15. Look, the hourly has a I'll tell you what. The hourly has a 3-bar also. So does the 15. We're actually inside both 3 bars. That is not That's interesting. I think lunchtime we get a big dump ski. A big dump skeet skeet skeet. I think yeah. I don't know. I don't like that we have the 3-bar reversal on both the hourly and the 15-minute. 15-minute gets invalidated with a close above 206. Hourly a close above 223. Brad, they just don't want to push it, Brad, either way. There's just no there's no push to the downside. I want it to dump. Just not getting it. Market's being a bunch of assholes. That's why I'll be honest with you, if you scalp, I would just scalp. Yeah, that's 5 minutes to my left. It goes 5:15 hourly. See how you got this 3-bar reversal? 3-bar reversal. That's on the bigger time frames.
Order filled.
Oh, they're on right now, Sean? Yo. Trump's going to give him the old pick two. Yo, you're not going to accept the tariffs? Boink. Yo. That's what he's going to give him, man. Yo, Trump's going to walk up to him and be like, yo, you got something on your shirt. He's going to point, he's going to flick his nose. Like, yo, accept the tariffs. Accept them. Oh, man. Yo, the old Three Stooges on him. Oh. Trump Taco launched his mobile now. What? What's Trump Taco? Oh, I'm about to get stopped out right here. Stopped.
Order filled.
What's Trump? Wait, the market doesn't care anything about the Middle East conflict. Not one bit. Market's like, fuck it. Yo, it made it all back, CT. It made it all back. Are you fucking kidding? Dude, what's happening? He just said something. Trump organization announces mobile plan? Get the fuck out of here. Yo, it does feel like they're going to yank it. They're going to rug pull this shit. Feels very rug pull-esque. It's getting back over, though. It's getting back over right here. I feel like this is make it or break it. Oh, jeez. Come on, man. Do something. Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, Chris. The whole debt thing is going to come into play soon. The whole US debt. You know, every market has like a theme to it. Like, you know, you had the inflation theme, you had COVID theme, you have .com bubble theme, like housing theme. You know, there's always a theme, and you can kind of feel one building. You know, you had the AI theme. The US debt theme is starting to build, where they're starting to be like, we have a problem here. Just throwing it out there. That's kind of how it feels. It feels like that's going to be the next theme. I kind of want to just short this and my stop be like 80. I don't know what they're talking about today, but we can't get over we can't stay above the imbalance right here at 20,000. So it kind of just feels like risk reward. This could be the whole change today, the whole trend change could be right here, 1141. It's a good time for it. I'm just watching. Trump's talking, if you didn't know. So you never know what you're going to get.
Order filled. This is risky. Trump is talking. Just throwing it out there for anybody that's watching this. Trump's talking, so you don't know. He says one thing, this can pop. I'm literally playing this. Stochastics are starting to roll. We can't get back over the initial imbalance. You know, at the same time, we're unable to sell below here, but it's not like a big risk. It's not like I'm risking a ton. So we'll see what happens. Yo, this time's always different, Chris. Nah, I'm with you. There's a lot of things going on under the market that are not positive for the market or the economy. There's a lot of things going on that's not good. But when that plays out, I don't know. Or how that will play out, I don't know. But I'm with you. I think this U.S. debt thing is going to come into play at some point. I've been saying it for a little bit. And then they had that Doge thing bringing it more to light. But it's not good at all. Like the U.S. debt just keeps going, and the spend's out of control. I don't know what they're going to do eventually, but in September they got to restructure it. So that's going to be a real interesting point, because if the market doesn't like how it gets restructured, you're probably going to see a pullback. And it doesn't matter if you're trading futures intraday. No, I'm just kind of talking market in general. What strategy do I use? I do anything from orbs, initial imbalance. I'll play inverted fair value gaps. If we're trending, I want to see us come back to the 34 and continue our trend up. I would say that alone makes up the majority of the type of trades that I play. Sometimes I'll play a pattern break, like a bull or bear flag break, or head and shoulders or something like that. I try to be careful when we're in chop. But welcome to the stream, JLB. What type of strategy are you playing? Brad, you got short. I mean, I'm not in full size, but I wouldn't mind to see it dip here. But Trump's talking, so you don't know. One thing he says rips this up and you get hosed. What up, Bodine? The deeper conspiracy, I would just say there's a lot of stuff going on. And it doesn't look great for the market as a whole. But, like I tell everybody's like, oh, the market only goes up, all this bullshit. At the end of the day, you just got to play what's given to you. I'm up a ton of money today in stocks and options, and I just play what the market gives me. I don't sit here and say, oh, fuck the market, it keeps going up. All right, then ride the market up. Just ride it up. What up, Anto? I mean, today I made back everything from Friday plus more. So in Robinhood, I'm up $1,800. And in E-Trade, I'm up $2,700. So what is that? $4,500 I'm up today. And I think I ended on Friday down. I think I ended down 35. I'd have to look. I would have to look at that. Yeah, Brad. I mean, I liked that we weren't able to get over this blue line. But now that we're getting over it, I don't know. It's not, it's just chopping. It's all good. Yo, people make losing trades, man. It happens all the time. All the time. You know what's funny, Chris, is there's a lot of conspiracy theories, and a lot of them end up becoming true or are true. Watch it dump now. I'm actually not going to take it until it inverts a fair value gap. Is take profit trader an activation fee? No. Oh, because you just saw this? No activation fee. It's 30% off. No activation fee if you use the coupon code CoveTrader. And yeah. So no activation fee is nice. You don't have to pay the $130. Some firms are as high as $150. That's crazy sauce. But no activation fee. Oh, I'm stretching. Now it's going to go. I love conspiracy theories. I listen to them. I like to hear them. It's some of it's interesting. Some of them play out. I'm not going to go over the ones that ended up playing out, but like here's a simple one that played out. They were talking about, they call it chemtrails, but they were talking about how, the weather and whatnot. And that's what they did over in what is it, Dubai? They did it, right? They sprayed the air and then they turned it into rain. And people for years, actually, we just got an inversion.
Order filled.
They said for years that it was untrue and all this shit, and it ended up being factual. That you could spray the clouds with stuff and cause rain. Actually, cause too much rain. It was a real thing. I think it was Dubai they were doing it in. Yeah, cloud seeding. Yeah. They denied it for years that you could do it. And Dubai did it. That was, there's a lot that came true. That's just one example. Dude, did you see the photos of Dubai when they did it though? Bro, they flooded the shit out of their place. I don't think I don't think the place is meant to get that much rain. I don't think it's meant to get that much rain. I don't think the sewers and everything were ready. Dude, rain dumped and it flooded the shit out of it. They destroyed the place. I'll take a fucking 2 spot here.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out. Minimal. I took $160 in this account only because it was down 500, so that eats up. Honestly, it's just kind of ranging. Yeah, I'm not going to go over all of them on the stream, but there's some cool ones. There's definitely some interesting ones. you know, how everything started. Head and shoulder conspiracy. I don't know. The problem is, I mean, not the problem, but we're at a point that we just bounced in this general area so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So, Anto, they have a consistency rule. Their starter accounts have no consistency rule on evals, and then the consistency rule on funded accounts. But if you get the starter plus, there's a consistency rule on evals, none on none. They're also running this. If you pass an account, you get a free eval with it. So if you pass one account with My Funded Futures using coupon code, you get one free one. So it's almost like a buy one, pass, and get a freebie. Oh, my eye. I got dry eyes. I feel like I got something in my eye. Yeah, so you got both. You know, you can have consistency rule on evals or funded account. Oh, on My Funded Futures, it's all accounts, but you can't use. It's not for the starter account. So starter plus or any other accounts besides the starter account. It's buy an account, and if you pass it, you get a free eval. So it's a pretty good deal. Coupon code Cove Trader. Which one do I suggest? If you want to get the buy one whole
order filled.
Fuck. This sucks. What up, Lee? I would do starter plus. Anto.
Order filled.
Sure, I don't know what's going
Order
on. That's
filled.
why I just went to BE real quick. Trump is talking right now. What sucks is I was in short and I got fucking top ticked. I got top ticked. That's the craziest part about it. All right, let's read what he said. He obviously said something. Iranians want to talk about de-escalation. That's probably not it. There's no activation fee, and I think the starter plus is like $120. But if you pass it, you get a free eval. Yeah, I mean, you're talking about this, right? Yeah. You get a free eval with it.
It's very similar to Take Profit Trader at this point because Take Profit Trader is 120, but you get daily payouts. It's kind of what you want. But you're not getting a free eval with this might roll back over, by the way. It's coming back up here. It's going to test this 9. I can't believe I was in short. I liked the short so many fucking times, and then it dies after getting top ticked. This is where you need, if you want to see it continue down, this is where it needs to drop. If it doesn't drop here,
Order filled.
if it doesn't drop here, it's not going to drop. They're going to buy it all the way back up. You
Order
pretty much
filled.
have a V-shaped recovery right here. Yeah, fuck them, man. You see a lot of red in the accounts. That's not terrible. Should have came in here on Friday. There's a lot of green everywhere. This one's up. What is that? 900, 140, 635. Dude, all because I got top ticked. Look, I don't get top ticked. We make money. This is what caused the whole fucking thing. Did it happen again? I think they're going to pull this back up. I've seen this too many times where they just yank it back up. Anybody actually watching the Trump thing right now on what he's actually talking about? Iran is preparing for the largest. Oh, geez. Iranian media. Iran is preparing for the largest and most intense missile attack in history on Israel soil. Dude, there's a huge explosion that occurred around some airport in Iran. I'm not even going to try saying the name. Dude, there's a bunch of shit going on. There's a bunch, they're launching missiles right now. IDF said that they've concluded the opening act of whatever they're calling this. Try again tomorrow, Corey. That's not a bad idea. It happens. I know, Jordan. Today's been a rough one for me. I've gotten a lot of bottom ticks, a lot of top ticks. It literally just happened twice. It happened here and here just now. I'd be up in this trade. Instead, I took a loss.
Order filled.
I'm not fucking selling this. How's that sound? I need for a payout. I need this for a payout. I believe. I'm just going to hold it. No fucking... The account will stop out when I'm down. What's the deal with the new My Funded Futures deal? It's buy one, get one. Basically, if you pass an eval that's not starter, like a starter plus, they give you a free eval. So for every account you pass, you get a free eval. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah. Coupon code Cove Trader gets you it. It's not bad. I got to look at how many funded accounts I have. I think I have 2 funded accounts, so I can get more. I can probably get another 1 or 2. I know you can only trade 3, but they'll keep one in the... They'll hold one for you. I know if you pass them, they'll hold it for you, which is cool. Getting gun shy because you got into a DCA into a short earlier? Yeah. I have this weird feeling that we're going to go all the way back down. I have this feeling that we're going to see all the way down here. We're going to see 22,000. Anyone else feel that way? We're going to do a complete round trip. Starter Plus has a consistency rule on eval and not on funded. Yes, you are correct. But all right, I'm gonna jump off because I'm gonna go eat some food. I'm in short. I'm gonna go eat some food. I'll be back on the stream at 2 p.m. 2:15. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code Cove Trader below. And that's pretty much it. I got to eat something. We'll do an account giveaway later today. And that's it. We'll see. All right, guys. Don't get chopped up. Peace.